These are the EZARC bypass pruning shears. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. These have a 1-inch capacity on them. If it says 1 inch, I'm generally comfortable that they'll be great in the 1/2 inch range. It's really tough when you get around 1 inch. First thing I noticed right away was how good they felt in my hand. They've got a non-slip rubber handle on this side, which makes it easy to grip. You get some of these and they're super tight and they're super hard to close, but this has a nice loose feel to it. Makes it really easy to control. I like that. They have an SK5 steel blade on here. That's a good choice. They came sharp and oiled. SK5 is a Japanese steel. It's known for being tough and holding an edge. A lot of survival knives, stuff like that, use SK5 steel. It's rust and corrosion resistant. This is going to be great for your smaller to mid-sized pruning tasks. And it's obviously going to help with not having to work as hard. Helps get you cleaner cuts so you don't crush the stems and branches on your more delicate stuff. Two of the things I really like on here that I don't have on any other pruner in my tool bag. You can see right here under the safety lock is a little rubber shock absorber. It helps take some of the blow. I really like that. I have a little issue right here on both of my hands, and anything that helps dial down any impact is a big help. The second thing, which I really like, is that they have a handle span adjustment right here. You have them in its widest position right here, but if you close this down and push this through, it adjusts to about halfway. This is really cool, particularly if you have smaller hands. I mean, even if you have bigger hands like me, it makes it super easy and comfortable for working smaller stems and branches. You can just go right along. You don't have to reach out each time. So that's super cool to me. Makes it really easy to control. Another thing I really like is this volute spring on here rather than a regular spring. I always think that regular springs are going to pop out, and these conical springs just seem more reliable to me. And finally, the safety lock. I'm seeing a lot more of these types of safety locks, and they always seem to be the weakest point. There's 2 pins that stick inside of 2 holes on the handle. This one is really easy to open and close without even pushing the handle down. You can just snap it down and open it. I would suggest using both sides of it when you open and close it. With the shock absorber on here, if you push down too far, you'll go past the point. So just touch the shock absorber to the other handle and it goes right on. I like that. It's actually really easy. And I think if you do it this way, it'll last a lot longer. But there you go. Something like this would be great for a lot of backyard and garden tasks. Great for trimming flowers, shoots, stems, plants, fruit trees. It'd be perfect for pruning my figs. All kinds of stuff. Very nice.